In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mark as unread in Proton Mail. By the end, you'll know exactly how to flag a message, so it stands out as something to revisit later. A simple habit that can really help you keep your inbox organized. First, open Proton Mail in your web browser. Give the page a moment to load, so you're looking at your mailbox. On the left-hand side, you'll see the main navigation panel. This sidebar is where Proton Mail groups your folders and labels, and it's the quickest way to jump between different parts of your mail. Click on Inbox to make sure you're viewing your new and recent messages. Even if you're already there, clicking it refreshes the list and confirms you're in the right place. Your messages will appear in a list down the center, each row showing the sender, subject, and a short preview. Move your mouse over the message list. As you hover over a message, you'll notice a set of quick action icons appear, giving you shortcuts without opening the email. Take a moment to scan for the specific message you want to mark as unread. This could be something you've already opened but want to return to later. Look to the right side of that message row. You'll see an envelope icon there. This icon controls the read or unread state at a glance, which is perfect when you don't want to dive into menus. Hover your cursor directly over the envelope icon. When you do, Proton Mail usually shows a small label or tooltip confirming what will happen if you click. In this case, it should indicate Mark as Unread. Now click on Mark as Unread. Instantly, you should see the message switch to the unread style. Typically, that means the subject line becomes bold and you may see an unread indicator .return. This visual change is your confirmation that the message is now flagged and ready to catch your eye later. If you don't see the change right away, give the page a second or briefly navigate away and back to the inbox to refresh the view. You can repeat this same process for any other message you want to set aside. It's a quick way to build a short list of priorities without moving emails into different folders or labels. That's all there is to it. You went to Proton Mail, checked the left-hand sidebar, opened the inbox, hovered over your messages, found the one you wanted, hovered over the envelope icon, and clicked Mark as Unread. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.